when somebody tries to abuse we, the people, abuse the system, the constitution should be able to check the person. Anything in the whole committee, so if you're an appointee, Mumuza Torkonuu, time I know John, I swear, and Torkonuu, near boy and say, hey, Torkonuu, yeah, now you say Kabangu. Near Charles said, ya wokano, debi, ubeyano. Time and number Jimmy Bejano say, Nana Danko Akufo Addo, and the all plagiarizing. Now, news said the biddy by a back kind of say, oh, in Tamna Woody Crampurna, and Tamano, a fake, a jandam. Akufo Addo Kwane to be swearing no cry a jandam. Akufo Addo, or your bonsamo. Nana Danko Akufo Addo, or your bonsamo sayetia. Nana Akufo Addo quality to be dintam, in Tamno so a jandam. Nam just a woodin tama, and Wakumum. Na Akufo Addo to be dintam na entam no so ye jandam entam no kura osabwa onu kronpude abosom de acheno long time eye den na wotumi di eye den eye wi wotumi di counterfeit ekoto wi udi entam na udi no na entam no so kura na udi no o se twatro mezas. I don't know where this video is. Akamu ambotchero munyina mu refi Akufo Addo now or plagiarizing other countries' presidents. Video anyway. Akufo Addo kwale to be dintam and tama odi no or say cantro. Nana Danko Akufo Addo or your bonsam. Akufo Addo or your bonsam or say tia. Bonsam or tia open it to na bra o breno because we share until we open we read table I say. Who are no raha Akufo Addo or your bonsam. But you see, the Akufo Addo file, the closing war a system, no so it takes so long to find the Akufo Addo's file. And come a bought a natural nentam no DNA, entam casino DNA. Nana Akufo Addo, o tran traffic and one kai we.
My goal is to provide strong leadership and help build a prosperous society which creates opportunities for all its citizens, rewards creativity and enterprise, honesty and hard work. A society where there's discipline and fairness, where people go about their lives in a free and responsible manner. A society where there are safety nets for the vulnerable and decent retirement for the elderly. An open society protected by well-resourced and motivated security services, and where the rule of law works. For this to happen, Ghana needs effective leadership. Leadership which is honest, competent, and determined to deliver. A leadership of conviction, one committed to fighting corruption and dedicated to the welfare and well-being of the Ghanaian. I am determined to fight corruption aggressively, and I can do so because I'm not corrupt, have never been corrupt, and will demand the same of my team. I want to build a Ghana where the National Health Insurance Scheme will work once again, like it did under President J.A. Kufuor. I want to build a Ghana where sound economic policies will lead to a rise in business confidence, where Ghanaians are gainfully employed in professions they value, that pay them well, where our youth thrive and grow in confidence, and where the current fears of parents change into prospects of great hopes. I want to build a Ghana with a well-educated and skilled workforce, able to compete.
Onkan onim do wa bodam no keka ni nyina ya trama no wa sese we mia owie na baka jam so lawyer akwa we mia na obegina obeji so we unim nyansa o my people and this country the okano ya tro mo jimia ma no kura okodo wi wo UK dia pamo no era de nyago okpo bibio akwa we Oba also a lawyer, mo the picture Kweku Annan and Nisa watch. Oba catch say Akufo Addo time no or argue or court in the picture ni. Say NPP for we on. Or see a nyama money di omo yesobolo. E go for we. I say ke chi omo do to tables ni twa omo chi. Akwa we Akufo Addo. Oba catch say o si bi okasa no na yet Ghana na nkofo we omo ni made papa ne papa mo kai ne papa ene yet de bebi enum wem dum nyansa we wa ben papa so a lawyer human rights lawyer mu sociology obi a sociology obi a tech obi a legal bia political science law mu political science human rights lawyer asama ba ko basam o ka sam kase yi Kevin Taylor de asama ba law mu political science no obi a ko legal bia political science obi a wa bon bia lawyer bia human rights lawyer wait, human rights lawyer. Say not to France, Kude brothers, Okosua French, Kwasia Sabonkwa, or Numri. Onya a free akoto. Acquired him some Mickey Mouse no. Oko Jubilee Adomo Numri asoma bottom. Near to Ghana, yes, so Kwasia some way so near to Ghana, Akwawi, or Paradino was your new answer, Akwawi.
Fellow Ghanaians, once again, good evening. Today is the 6th time I'm coming into your homes since we began our collective effort to combat the coronavirus pandemic and to implement measures aimed at containing and defeating it. I have, first of all, to tell you how proud and privileged I am to be your president, not just to fight for you, but also to fight with you, and to help shepherd our country out of this crisis. I said in my last address, the government's policy in this entire drama will be largely driven by science. We will, as much as possible, be guided by the data, with our focus on the 3 T's, that is tracing, testing, and treatment.
The 3 T's. Onimbi bia. See ya Jimmy. Hey, 10 gram no. Show boy no. Ya chura man one no man wa begina ho. Mo Jimmy amano. O chika kra da majan kroma no atwe no da mak mikmil. O ma twetwum. Say no mo tie NPP for. Akwa we kan French nyina kire Akufo Addo. Me say away. Akufo Addo at a point. Oni e kaso Ghana no ka French. Akufo Addo. O tumi kan no ka French nyina.
Fellow Ghanaians, as the French would say, l'argent n'aime pas le bruit. To wit, money does not like noise. Sika impe dede. Where there's chaos, where there's noise, where there's unrest, you will not find money. If you talk down your money, it will go down.
It's no longer comrade. It's honorable chief.
Hey, Chinek.
Honorable Chief, we discovered that since your appointment, you no longer shout, you no longer talk about government policy. What is happening, sir?
My brother, it is poverty. When you are poor, you shout anyhow. How many big men have you seen shout? They don't shout.
Fellow Ghanaians, as the French would say, l'argent n'aime pas le bruit. To wit, money does not like noise. Sika impe dede. Where there's chaos, where there's noise, where there's unrest, you will not find money. If you talk down your money, it will go down.
It's no longer comrade. It's honorable chief.
Hey, Chinek.
Honorable Chief, we discovered that since your appointment, you no longer shout, you no longer talk about government policy. What is happening, sir?
My brother, it is poverty. When you are poor, you shout anyhow. How many big men have you seen shout? They don't shout. It is
honorable. You don't shout. Akufo Addo no. Yeah. O use more near to Ghana a boy and some. Ebusa te kokuba ko kofe Akufo Addo certificate bra. Adikora me catch Bryan Champo be catch them say no only US intelligence the year juma on to me country Mr. X pull that for me. Oko interview oko vetting. Bryan Champo. Oko jina Ghana for vetting nim catch say ono ejuma na oyema eye US army no na eye sensitive on to me kan wasa no obu petrol. Oye gawo boy e US army no a reserve. Bryan Champo. Yetna kroma be 15 years. They be catch Bryan Champo no ko US army intelligence San kwase sem we ya no mde ti krom ha o ene ya so mo so akwa we ba ya wanum yu abrochira wanum wi sa no bedru Ghana Omo no ni Akufo Addo omo ni co school Nana Kennedy Agyapong Rollins ka say akwawe abodam e na trom omo ni ko say UK me ka be si Bawumia so yet kroma na asemesi so start ye so osua firi Akufo Addo enkwasiade ye ni momu nyina o ye be kai mu de bia he mo pa mu ni di atam NPP for allo accent slangs mo kai Catherine Afeku ono so daddy lemba.
Over a period of time in our first year, we have also been in talks with a private sector operator who is in the business of placing Ghanaian content at the disposals of viewers throughout the world. And the artists are signed on to produce popular content, including already existing content that will run as a series in the name of the artist. And it's already showing on most of your mobile phones. This Sunday, today's Monday, this Sunday, I would like to invite most of you who will have the time on a Sunday to be at Accra Mall in partnership with this private sector person. We are launching Agyarko TV. It's a mobile TV platform that will be premiering at Accra Mall in an effort to promote local content. Local content. On Sunday, barring any obstacle, another one in the offing for music is Daddy Lumba TV, a channel that will be ready next month. And I had asked Mr. Daddy Lumba to be here. I think he's somewhere out there. And you will be amazed with this technology. It's TV on the go. A lot of people are using it. You buy, it's a link with a mobile company. You buy your units, you turn it on, and automatically it creates revenue for the artist.
These are the nonsense we lived with. Daddy Lumba TV, Agyarko TV, Agyarko Jimmy way. Meka mo sa mo na mo pepa wa mo mbra me bo defense Morino ai me twemo me load bass no me my oba number 3 number 2 me bought 4 players oba number 3 me bought 4 players 4 and 5 4 oba midfielder 4 maybe players be 30 my load goalkeepers nko 18 group me see me bought defense o de bra ye load aguo Agyarko TV Daddy Lumba TV nkwasiafo mo na ndem be ka kire ye tena kroma ade be me ka kire sankofo we omubo durak unim durak.
Which were really bad times where we all slept at the petrol station. So that's indication that, you really need to get up and talk about it, because we cannot, as a nation that deserves so much more, come to this level.
I'm working like a bull and I'm paying my taxes. The government got to work like a bull as well and make sure that my road is fixed, that I have electricity, that I have water. That is their job. It is not for me to tell the president how to fix the economy. If he didn't know how to fix the economy, why did he run for office?
Which were really bad times where we all slept at the petrol station. So that's indication that, you really need to get up and talk about it, because we cannot, as a nation that deserves so much more, come to this level.
I'm working like a bull and I'm paying my taxes. The government got to work like a bull as well and make sure that my road is fixed, that I have electricity, that I have water. That is their job. It is not for me to tell the president how to fix the economy. If he didn't know how to fix the economy, why did he run for office?
These people omo de Akufo Addo mo baaye sankoma na no amamai se anawo amamai se ai achim police. These are the people who brought the NPP. Today they are the same people sitting there. We are going to bring NPP back. Omo use Jimmy. Me yes anyoma way, because me name the kind of people we are dealing with. Ghana for your refia the entem. NPP we omo Jimmy. We are not supposed to give them any room again. Nana Akufo Addo is an integral member of the NPP. Ken Ofori Atta musika na yede rane, Gabby musika, Bediatuo musika. Bawumia at the end of the day, Akufo Addo will make the decision. Kennedy Agyapong Bawumia na amani sika mo abenya contract and obekeka nkwasi asem so power. Bryan Champon, original stage catcher say, Snake hotels nyina auto kwasia. Original stage say to me on for power, on no power ene dia. Bryan Champon, ne nai KK, original catcher say power ene dia, onjai power mu. Ana mu use refi. Sa nkwasa sem we nyina koso no. Ne ebusa nkofo say, intimo mbu Ghana fo ana. Ye kasa time ne ebusa questions no. Ena asimesi baaye.
when I look at the economic management team, it is quite clearly a fantastic team. Professor Gyamfi, Dr. Akutose, Dr. Ofori Atta, Honorable Asante Bediatuo, Boakye Agyarko, Ken Ofori Atta, Senior Minister Yao Osafo Mafu. What a solid team.
Era, Jimmy was by. But before that, no, Mokai say, after this, Mokai say, Bawumia catches that tracker. Where's this tracker?
So, the launch of this COVID-19 tracker app today is yet another important step by the government to leapfrog technology in finding solutions to the havoc the COVID-19 pandemic is wreaking around the world. We are trying to use digitization to help us in this fight. So the launch of this COVID-19 tracker app today is yet another important step by the government to leapfrog technology in finding solutions to the havoc the COVID-19 pandemic is wreaking around the world. We are trying to use digitization to help us in this fight. So the launch of this COVID-19 tracker app.
Track and away. $5 million. Track and away. Where is the tracker? NPP, and they are still in it. They don't even care. Ghana for Jimmy. Akufo Addo, otchere.
I ask you to be citizens.
I ask you to be citizens.
Citizens, not spectators.
Citizens, not spectators.
Citizens, not subjects.
Citizens, not subjects.
Responsible citizens, building communities of service and a nation of character.
Responsible citizens, building your communities and our nation.
I ask you to be citizens.
I ask you to be citizens.
Citizens, not spectators.
Citizens, not spectators.
Citizens, not subjects.
Citizens, not subjects.
Responsible citizens, building communities of service and a nation of character.
Responsible citizens, building your communities and our nation.
I ask you to be citizens.
We lived with this. Akufo Addo, when he was taking an oath, he was lying. Odin tamro kura no boa. Akufo Addo, oni ekasa oka kyerɛ sɛ odin tam kɛseɛ ene amienu ye ne Ghana bob na Akufo Addo boa. Na Akufo Addo na oboa. Sankwasi afo is ende yɛmfa tumi ma Bawumia, yɛmfa tumi ma Kennedy Agyapong, yɛmfa tumi ma Bryan champon. Ah, yɛte krom ha, akwawe, otena TV so. Get me the story. Me chrem bibi akwawe.
But aren't you sinking too much money into it if it's not making any returns?
What I do is I set up the business. I let the business run and takes care of itself. I will not go and take money from other companies to come and support. No. All businesses should be independent. So initially I invest my capital to let it run. Well, not all businesses will do well, especially the media. The media is just a flagship. Your boss will attest to that, we don't make that much money. And the other areas that will complement is not every business that you succeed or the profit margin.
You mentioned 2 sites in Tema.
Farms don't bring money, and then you are better off with the media.
Oh, okay. So you don't have farms?
Now I've stopped.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I don't care how anybody will take it. When you wake up in the morning and you pray, God, let me be poor, then you go into farming. I'm sorry, I'll tell you like the truth. That's it. I don't care what anybody will say, because I've been there. So when I see anybody going to farming, I just laugh.
But what were you doing? What exactly were you growing? What were you doing?
Dida, Afrancho, Techima, all this cluster of villages gave us 500 acres.
So you don't have farms?
Now I've stopped.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I don't care how anybody will take it. When you wake up in the morning and you pray, God, let me be poor, then you go into farming. I'm sorry, I'll tell you like the truth. That's it. I don't care what anybody will say because I've been there.
Oh, okay. So you don't have farms?
Now I've stopped.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I don't care how anybody will take it. When you wake up in the morning and you pray, God, let me be poor, then you go into farming. I'm sorry, I'll tell you like the truth. That's it. I don't care what anybody will say because I've been there. So when I see anybody going into farming, I just laugh.
But what were you doing? What exactly were you growing? What were you?
What's it? Sakwa wetina TV so catch say. Osore na ohun se obi ekuani a na ohun se nipa na ejimifo. Nipa no be say ehia no. Eku adwuma enkwase adwuma. Ohun obi so asore na pa kuani so okodokoko. Ohun kuani so asore se okọ akoye adwuma. Ai na ohun se obedi hiewu. Ade achi Akwasi Campaign was say I will use agric to feed the whole of Africa if I become president. Kwasi afo. Opportunity to say see the kuya I don't be feeding the whole Africa. Yeah, Jimmy. We are not supposed to listen to these people. Yeah. Another foolish man. Yeah. We so original stage. After otchere say obeto Ghana. Snake hotels. No, because some original kind.
The party in the buying to rent them kakraba 2 year Kwaimu, Ukraine, Russia, war, COVID. Am I into 2 year day? I call from am I opposition? Who is Argentino? Am I 1 day a day? I call through. I'm saying, let's say, yeah, possible to know. A Biden Shishaye Kwaimu. Dollar every 17, about 10. Petrol every 17, about 9. And never in air confirm economy no pajane holo. It is possible. It is possible. It is possible. Yeah, made it this much. And I know my dream say time na near my work from no. Sad time no near better. I mean, check on my boy. Say region April, June, July this year. I am a 4 about the soya sene. Yeah, 2 year akoya me economy na peja. Yeah, 2 year akoya ama dollar na peja. Yeah, 2 year akoya ama efumu yami. Yeah, 2 year akoya ama benwe channel nice. NDC ebegu. Na say what do you imagine say? What did the Patapa? Any person assembly about the year 2024 now. The veterans say we have the band. The veterans say we have the band. We have the band. Any person assembly about the year 2024 now. The veterans say we have the band. The veterans say we have the band. We have the band.
Jimmy. We know about petrol American military reserve. Obeka chere NPP before say or intelligence or American intelligence. And I'm saying hey, Bryan the intelligence the obwa security. Me start you. Me ko baby where they say munye flag bearer, me chain flag bearer. They say I'm Jimmy who they mean kebi.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.